Hi guys, this is Maria with Lawrence Kia again, and today I'm going to do a quick how-to on using Apple CarPlay. It's really quick and simple, so we'll just get right to the point. Alright, so basically all you need is your phone and a car charger. Make sure your car's on and you're at the home screen, and you're going to plug your phone in. It'll start charging, it'll take 1 second, and then it's automatically going to load. It will ask you to allow for your contacts and everything to go through, so you'll hit that, which I've already done that before, so mine went straight through. But you can put your phone away and just go straight to your screen and start using it. You have phone access, music, maps, messages, and if you have a Pandora app, podcast, anything like that, it'll all pop up in here. So you can use your touchscreen to access anything that you like. So basically it's all hands-free. You don't have to worry about using your phone. You can respond to messages. If a message comes up, you can automatically go to it.
To whom should I send your message?
You can automatically start saying that you want to send a message, or you can respond just by talking. Same way with your phone. On maps, you do have to type in your location on your phone first, and then it will automatically go through, so you won't have to do anything else there. There's different destinations, so I can click one and it'll automatically go for me.
Starting route to Paisley.
It's really easy. And then you can end it, so you don't really have to use your phone if the location's already in there. You can also use your steering wheel. You can ask Siri for help. You can ask her to make calls. So for example, call Lawrence Kia.
Would you like me to call Lawrence Kia near East 23rd Street?
Yes. Yes.
Calling Lawrence Kia.
There it goes. And it'll automatically start working for you. It's really easy, so if you have your contacts in your phone, you can just call them. You don't even have to use the screen there if you know who you're gonna call. Incoming calls will go straight to you, so you can answer them right here on the screen. So it's all hands-free, which makes it way safer. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment. It's really easy to use. And stay tuned for next week. We're going to do the Android Auto app. So have a good day.